Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the image and confirming account access. Pick a landscape image close to 1920 by 1080 for best fit, and keep it under 5 MB to avoid upload errors. Sign into your Google account so changes sync across devices. If you don't want that, disable sync first. Once done, back up the original file in case you want to revert. This saves time and prevents pixelation, so make sure resolution and file type are appropriate before moving on. Now upload the image through Chrome's new tab customization or the Google Apps background option. Open a new tab, click Customize, then Background, and choose Upload from Device. Alternatively, use the Google App settings on mobile. Drag and drop the file or use the file picker, and then crop or align so important content isn't obscured by icons or search boxes. Make sure to preview on different window sizes and portrait versus landscape to confirm the composition stays balanced across devices. Finish by saving the change and verifying it appears on other signed-in devices. If you disabled sync, re-enable it only after confirming the look. If the image doesn't show, clear your browser cache and refresh or re-upload a corrected file. Often a corrupted upload causes failures. If the background looks blurred or compressed, use a higher resolution source and recrop. One key troubleshooting tip: check account sync and cache first. That resolves most display problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.